Day number 29 of the 30-day Crypto.com challenge. We have today and tomorrow left. Let's go right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. We have 2 days left of this challenge, and let's go knock out King, Crypto.com, UFC. Let's go ahead and finish this challenge very strong. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. As you know, this is day 29. Congratulations for following me on this journey. It's been a remarkable ride on this 30-day challenge. Now, as you see, we have 6,049 tokens, coins of Crypto.com every single day, ever since November 21st. But we're gonna get ready to make a big purchase today. We're gonna finish this strong. And I'm going to tell you right now, we're gonna finish this strong. So Ethereum, we're going to swap Ethereum for Crypto.com. And what we're going to do, we're going to put $1,000. $1,000, ladies and gentlemen. Ethereum to Crypto.com. We've been waiting on this. We've been kind of following the pricing of this. It's been down still in the market, and I feel like it's a knockout king right now. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to preview it. And we're going to get 1896 of these tokens. So let's convert this right now and go to the new Captain spreadsheet. Thank you so much, Hector, of putting this together. And I'm looking forward to other challenges in the future. So let me go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. I think I was pressing the wrong button. Okay, so 1896 by far is our largest position. And we are putting in $1,000. So let's do $2.99. Because let me go back and see if they actually give me the actual price. So they still view transactions. Let me see if they give me the fees on this, because on Coinbase.com, I want to know if there's actually a fee that's associated with this. And when I do this, I don't see it at all. I don't see any fees at all towards this. It's gotta be a fee. It's gotta be a fee somewhere. But we're gonna go ahead and just put a fee in there anyway. So let's just do $997.01. Okay. So we'll put our own fee in there. We'll put our own fee in there. 52 cents is the actual price of it. Our goal was 4,000. And then the token 79.45. We made that switch over there. Congratulations on this journey, this challenge here. That was a large position. We've been kind of waiting around for we could put a large position here. As you see here, 52 cents is, according to the price per coin, it's the lowest that I've seen on this chart here. It's absolutely the lowest. And we've been waiting for that, for we can make a big decision here, position for this as well. And as we go over here, we have 79.45 of our Crypto.com coins. I do believe we have a chance to getting to 10,000. 10,000, it looks like we got a chance. We got a chance to do it. If the price continues to go down or stays around what it is now, I think we'll get that tomorrow on the last day of the challenge. Now, total cost is $48.95 that we put into this. We also have a 61 cents average coin price, and the current price is around 53 cents. We have a negative 684. I do understand that, but we were going to come back to this. We will come back to this sheet, and let me change the date on here as well. At the end, we will come back to the sheet about once every month, something like that, just to come back to this challenge to see where we are, because we want to measure our results. We're not expecting things to just kind of jump up right away, but we are expecting to see some results in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm so excited that you've been joining on this journey with me. Coinbase.com, click on the link below, get access to this as well, because we are the knockout kings. And we'll see you tomorrow, day number 20, Monday, December 20th. I can't wait to see you again.